how to install Ansible in Fedora 49. First of all, we need a fresh installation of Fedora, but the good news is that Ansible is already included in the Fedora repository system. Cool. So let me connect via SSH to one machine using username user, and the machine will be demo.example.com. This is a freshly installed Fedora Workstation 39. We can verify easily, for example, cutting /etc/os-release, and this file contains a lot of variables that define our current operating system. As you can see, this is Workstation Edition, so it will have also the UI, but I'm gonna stick to the terminal. As you can see, if I'm typing Ansible, there is a command not found, and the package manager is trying to suggesting which package include Ansible. In this case, ansible-core. We already know the difference between ansible-core, that is only the engine, and the full version of Ansible with all the collection, that is the Ansible package. As you can see, we are using version 2.16 for Ansible Core, and for the Ansible community package is 9.0. Okay, cool. We can verify that the package is not installed in a different way with DNF list or using rpm-qa. And yes, it's definitely not present. Okay, cool. Now we are ready for the installation. So DNF install. I rather prefer the community version because it's more complete, I would say, also for developer environment. We are going to download 53 megabytes, and as you can see, the installed space is half a gigabyte. Yes, this space is so big because the Ansible community package includes a lot of small files from different collections, and decompressed is a lot of space. So we just need to wait for the DNF to make the magic. DNF is the package manager of Fedora and is also the one adapted in Red Hat Enterprise Linux and in other enterprise solutions. And well, it's getting nearly to the perfection. It's taking care of downloading the package, installing, and verify that everything is up to date. As you can see, all the dependency came from the Fedora repository or the updates that are the one maintained directly by Fedora. So we don't need to install some weird repository and on our system. This is also very important for the upgradability of our system. This means that we can easily upgrade the Ansible using the repository and the DNF included in the system. Okay, this is going to take a while. It depends by the speed of your internet connection, and it's going to take also the performance of your workstation. So just sit down, have a cup of tea or coffee, and enjoy the stuff. By the end of this installation process, you're gonna have Ansible completely installed and configured in your system, and the fun can begin. You can start with ansible-doc command. You can start writing your own first playbook. You can download some Ansible collection or role and start doing your execution. As you can see, I just accepted the import of my GPG key because every package is verified against this common key released by Fedora, and now the installation is completed. We can verify using the simple command ansible-version that print on screen all the version, in this case 2.16, beta 2, and all the other underlying library. I'm super proud to see Python 3.12, that is the latest version of Python already included in this workstation. If we list the installed RPM, we can see that as expected we have the core and Ansible. Same result we got with DNF list. As you can see, is highlighted as installed package, whereas before was only available. So Ansible-version is your corner store to check it out, all the principal parameter of Ansible. As you can see, highlight also the path where to search module, where to search Python module, collection, and other interesting versioning. The Python version, the Jinja version, and the lim YAML if used. Okay, as I said before, now the sky is the limit. So super proud now that Ansible is successfully installed on your Fedora Linux 39. Yay! Can't wait to hear your success story.